No, no, Grace, please do not throw my guppy marlin.
You care more about your stupid fish than you care about me.
No, no, that's not true. And trust me, but we're gonna make money very, very soon. It's just a matter of time.
We don't have any more time. We missed the last 3 mortgage payments.
Trust me, I'm about to make a sale. No! Marlin!
And take your stupid ghost trophy. My mom and dad were right. I should have married Peter. He just opened his second Red Lobster.
But Hanif...
Don't even start with your deadbeat loser friend. Since you love Hanif so much, why don't you go live with him? Stay in one of his shitty motel rooms.
Grace, come on. I don't want to stay with Hanif. I want to stay with you.
You have 2 weeks to make us some money or it's over for good.
Hanif, are you still at the Grand Motel? What room?
It's open. What's up, amigo?
Grace has given me 2 weeks to make some sales, or she's gonna leave me for good.
Relax, we got tons of quotes.
Yeah, I followed up on those quotes. They all went with a different team.
Who?
They're called the Paranormal Boys.
Who the is that?
They're the new kids on the block. And I guess they know how to make a sale.
So you're saying all of our quotes are dead?
Yeah, and there's no business left in this town.
Well, why don't we go somewhere else? Somewhere else. Somewhere else.
Sparta is amazing.
Sparta? And you think it's quite a haunted town?
Oh, it is. They do ghost walks and everything.
And if you're a genius, Sparta, Ontario. The lady at the flower shop told us there's tons of spirits there. So what do you say? Should we go make some sales?
Andale, hombre.
What was that sound? No, it stopped. My car's just died.
Make it come back to life.
No, I can't. I gotta pull over.
Watch it, watch it. I have 2 weeks, Hanif. 2 weeks. The woman of my dreams gonna leave me.
Yeah, woman of your dreams? She treats you like shit.
Well, have you tasted her French toast?
I'll never understand.
Relax, man. There's people coming. Hey!
Well, well, well. If it isn't the ghost disconnectors.
Who the heck are you guys?
We're the Paranormal Boys. We're the ones making money around here. Whoa, whoa. Get a hold of your canine.
Calm your f***ing dog, bro.
Woo.
What are you guys doing around here anyways?
Headed to a little town called Sparta.
How'd you guys know about that?
Well, when a spot's hot, the scene hears about it. Looks like you boys are having a little car trouble, huh? Care to ride with us?
What would make you offer us a ride? What's in it for you?
I got a proposition for you boys. Ghost off.
You want to ghost off?
Hey, no. Just give us a second. Give us a second. There's no way I can do a ghost hunt. That's way too risky.
It's a chance for really sweet.
Give me grace. I can't take that risk.
Maybe able to pay off that mortgage. What, you wanted to go crawling back to Red Lobster Boy?
We're in.
It's a ghost stuff. It's a ghost stuff.
Shut your trap and drive.
Okay, standard ghost off rules. 2 teams head to head.
Yeah, we know. Team with the most profit at the end of the day takes all the bacon.
Meet back here 5 p.m. sharp. May the best team win.
We'll meet you back here at 5 p.m. sharp.
Whatever,
Neve,
baby.
Come on.
Meet you back out here.
Yo, keep the pen. Whoa. Yo. Yo, dog, I'm scared right now.
I know. I'm picking this
I'm like, yo, you picking this?
Ma'am, do you operate this business? How are
Yes,
you
sir.
today? We're doing a ghost investigation.
Yeah.
Anybody in your staff having any issues with their organs? So usually what we go do is we do kind of mini exorcisms. Do you mind if we kind of just walk around and just
Yeah.
get a feel?
It's on this side mainly.
Yeah.
Right? So on this side you have nothing. You might
Oh,
have.
come here, check this out.
Oh,
What is-
whoa. Okay.
What's the history on this couch, ma'am?
That couch that's relatively new actually.
Interesting.
It is sold. It was from a very old lady's home.
Did she have any
I don't know.
organ issues? We're picking up a lot of spirits coming from this.
Yeah.
That one's not really an antique. However, she was a very old lady. So
Sometimes it's just like kids having sex on the couch. No, it does happen sometimes. And,
You usually won't add to the spirits, it's usually the elderly, but...
yeah, there's definitely something I've noticed before.
Ma'am, if you don't mind authorizing this investigation, we would absolutely appreciate it. You just...
Okay, man. Yeah. You guys are-
I can't believe she fell. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
really. They fall for
Some
anything you
people-
tell them. Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Something's going on here. Yeah.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm closing up in like 3 minutes.
Okay. We just gotta warn you that this place, we're
Yeah.
kind of drawn to this place by, we're the
Yeah.
ghost connectors.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Are you sure? Because I think we got something going on here.
Are people in here during the day?
Yeah. People
They should not be at this point.
Okay,
Yeah,
look,
we got
I'm
something.
gonna- You can try.
They should not be.
Out. Get out.
Okay.
Get off my
I
property.
want you to tell everybody that comes in the same
Get
thing
out.
because it's not safe
Yeah,
in here.
it could be dangerous.
Tell everybody the same thing. That's a good start. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate your time. I can't believe how easy this has been.
It's too easy.
They actually believe in ghosts.
Look at this f***ing ghost.
Hey, how are you?
Hi there.
I'm Hanif. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
This is my partner Miles from Sci-Fi TV Ghost Connectors.
You guys
Just
seen
wondering,
Ghost Hunters? Any of the shows? Paranormal Activity?
You guys,
Nothing?
what was that beep right there?
What was it?
A battery charger?
Okay.
Okay.
Does
Did
it
it
usually
actually
do
charge
that?
or did it?
I just unplugged it.
Did you see it beep though, or
Yeah.
did you see the light beep?
It beeped because I tested the battery and the battery went full charge.
Okay. I'm not.
Yeah.
Watch this.
I just don't know if that's making sense to me because it sounded like it
Do you
just
mind?
beeped out
Do
of nowhere.
you mind bringing it over here? If that's okay.
I think it has a mind of its own. I don't know.
Yeah. Let me just. Can I just do it? Do you mind if I just do a scan here? Yeah. See, there's something going on here.
It's
Okay,
a battery
It's going off.
charger.
Yeah, it's going off.
But it's not
the batteries.
beeping now. Okay, so it's not
Beeping
beeping.
because I'm putting it charged.
Okay, zoom into that. Just I don't like that. If you go out once. But
Miles, get in here.
what?
Get in here, dude.
What is that?
How's that car just moving around like that?
Okay, can we just ask a couple questions, please?
Is it about RC cars?
Yes.
How is that RC car moving without any?
Radio control.
Okay. Here's a follow-up question. This is an RC car place.
We sell radio controlled vehicles.
This place is also haunted.
Probably the building's over 100 years old.
Right.
Okay, another follow-up question. This is a building with RC cars.
None of them turn on when we're not here. We have security cameras on all the time.
Okay.
If that's your follow-up question.
Can we ask 2 more questions? Will you guys sign up with us? We'll come in here and we'll just see what's going on.
The owner isn't here.
Do you think she would be involved or interested?
Probably not.
So she would not be interested? Final question, this is it. Do you guys not believe in ghosts?
Oh, I totally know this building is haunted, but this is not our business. We just work here.
Okay, we're at a ghost off right now with another team with the Paranormal Boys. I don't know if you guys have heard of them.
Yeah, we're not interested.
You can even just sign up for basic exploration. It's maybe like 50 bucks.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to ask you guys to leave.
Yeah, it's their f***ing loss, dude. Place is crawling with f***ing ghosts.
There's a guy, ask him.
Hey, we're from Sci-Fi TV Ghost Connectors. Can we interest you? All right.
Not interested at all? No. In this town, if Sparta, Ontario, have you felt anything?
Do you guys believe in ghosts? You don't believe in ghosts? You do?
You do.
And you're
Negative
just
or
gonna
positive?
walk in there. There are ghosts in there.
Sparta, Ontario, they're not really aware of it, I guess. Nobody's a believer here. The lady at the flower shop lied to us. It's not a spiritual town.
We're just getting started, dude. Sack up. This is a ghost off. Get your head in the game.
Okay, let's go. Let's go make a sale then. Let's go make a sale. Sure. Okay, let's see what this place has. See if we can make a sale. Look who it is.
What's up, dude?
Alright, hey, what's up, man? How you guys doing? Pretty good. Nice, just getting food. Hope you guys are not like mad about all of this. Like, no hard feelings though?
No, we're good.
Yeah?
We're good, yeah.
Competition's competition.
Oh yeah, I like that. That's good. It's like, how many people have you guys tricked today so far?
Sorry, what?
I mean, like, how many people have you guys tricked into like believing in ghosts and then taking money from them?
What? Yeah,
like,
no, we don't do that, dude.
Yo, if it isn't the Connector Boys, what's going on?
It's Ghost Connectors.
Okay, take it easy.
I just learned something from your partner here. You guys make your money by tricking people into thinking there's ghosts?
I thought that's what we do.
You guys actually believe in this crap?
Believe in it, man. It's our f***ing life. No, you know what? This is done. I'm out.
What do you mean it's done? No, nothing's done.
It's off.
Nothing in the rule book about a ghost stop says anything about belief. Nothing's off, okay? Nothing.
No,
Nothing's
I'm
off.
not.
No,
I'm
you know
not
what?
doing this.
You know what, Hanif? We're in. We're more in than ever. We're gonna beat these guys fair and square. Because we can do one thing you cannot. We actually connect to ghosts.
What are you laughing at?
Connect the ghost. Whatever, Connector Boys.
You guys are fucked.
We'll see you guys at 5. We will see you guys at 5.
It's a ghost stop.
Find me, bro.
Have a nice afternoon. They can't connect to ghosts. They're done. That's not gonna work. You can only trick people for so long.
Right, man.
We make genuine connections. We can take these guys any day of the week.
Hey there. We're with the Sci-Fi Network. Is there a manager here? We're doing a ghost investigation with the Sci-Fi Network. Do you guys have any sort of presences or ghouls here? Nothing like that? Are you interested in having an investigation?
Go to a little bro right now.
No interest in investigation at all?
No? Okay.
Our ghost meter's going off like crazy, just so you know.
Looks like the Paranormal Boys aren't so perfect after all.
This is why we don't go to chains.
Come on, but like,
We gotta try at least.
You walked out of there empty-handed, man. What's the point of going to change? This always happens.
Bro, but we got blizzards. We're not empty-handed. Like,
This is a ghost stuff. What do you mean blizzards, man? No more chains, okay? It's a ghost stuff.
yo, dog, come on, man. Ah!
Yeah, something's going on here.
This kind of presents you guys coming with?
It's a little ghost bazaar.
They wanted a ghost off, we'll give them a ghost off.
Yeah.
We ask you a couple questions, guys. We're from the Sci-Fi Network. Have you heard of the show Ghost Connectors?
You never heard of it?
Ghost Hunters. Ghost Hunters, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've kind of got a lead that this town it's a haunted place. You guys look shocked. I'm not sure why, but
Have you ever experienced anything paranormal at home?
My house.
At
by
your house?
what exactly kind of happened there?
We have a photo frame or a picture that's framed.
Yes.
And it cracks and creaks.
Cracks and creaks. Okay.
And it doesn't matter where you move it, where you place it.
I'm just gonna, don't mind me, I'm just gonna check some stuff out here.
Do you think, because that's usually what ends up happening is this, whatever that creak and crack may possibly, I don't want to scare you, but follow you where you go. Do you feel that happening?
It just...
Something's following something here.
Yeah.
Okay, just, sorry for 1 second. Can you just go off that? Can you just give me a hand? I just want to spread that out quick.
So how many times have you experienced this? This sort of
It happens
weekly?
I'm just going to settle this
on the
down
same
here just
day
for
or
1
different
second.
days?
Okay. That's good enough. Okay, tight. So do you feel that kind of...
Yeah.
So let me just... Okay.
Try stepping out, just see what happens.
I don't really want... Okay. I have to go over. Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel that.
Yeah. Do you think there's a chance maybe the spirit that's infesting her house maybe comes with you tonight?
If something passes through, you're gonna feel like if there is a spirit here, you're gonna feel a large force. As you saw earlier, it gave me a sting, a bit of an itch.
Yeah.
A large itch, kind of a sting. Starts as an itch, ends as a sting. And that's when you know there is a spirit.
All right.
All right, well, yeah, we'll get you to sign up.
One sale in the books. Now it's time to go on a roll.
Thank you very much.
Did you
Need
take
to
care
count
of
the
it?
cat.
Cash is yours.
Thank you very much. Thanks for
Thank
doing
you.
business.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. Stick with it, man.
Ma'am, we're part of the Sci-Fi Network and we're doing ghost investigations. We'd love to work. Is there any...
Absolutely not. Go f yourself. You look shady as hell.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Do you have any ghost issues in the area, sir? Ghost issues? Yeah, we're part of the Sci-Fi Network.
We're just suffering in this particular area. Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah, I mean, if it's not something you're interested in.
5 p.m.
Time to tally up. $15.
17. I guess you guys really could connect with ghosts, huh?
I'm not crazy, man. Like straight up.
We told you guys were the real deal. It's about time you believed us.
Yeah. Respect.
Yeah.
Hey, keep connecting. Keep connecting.
Why don't you take this home to your lady?
I will. I will.
So Miles, what is it you do for work again?
He's a ghost connector.